said to the bluebird, I got more color for you. Let's take a hop and let's fly uptown. We're going up, 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 and we're never coming down. Now the Junebug and the pretty Mothie were dancing around the light bulb. He said, I'm buzzing for you. I wanna buzz, I wanna buzz, I wanna buzz all night with you. You take care of you, and I'll do what I do. The big black dog sees the white kitty cat across the street sleeping on a floor mat. He said, I'm fetching some of that. Grab your ball of yarn and come and sit here on my lap. Then you take care of you, and I'll do what I do. One more time. Now Clyde the horse with Dinah the llama, and if he thinks that she's a pretty mama, that's his call, man. To each their own. When you ride into the sunset, you don't want to ride alone. When you ride into the sunset, you don't want to ride alone. And you take care of you, and I'll do what I do.
Thank you so much.